As previously described, that preposition cannot be learned by a specific rule, but we can practice it by listening, reading, and writing, and by exposure, definitely. But I previously described that in and on. In can be used like in a private vehicles, in the car, in the taxi, and then on for the public transport, like on the train, on the bus, on airplane. In the same way, if we mention cities like London, Chicago, Sialkot, or like some city, Stockholm, Helsinki, then we can use in. In London, in Helsinki, in Stockholm. We can use it for the countries in USA, in Pakistan, in India, in for the countries, in for the continents as well, in Australia, in Asia. And we can use in for the months, the year, and for the long periods, like in March, in 2028, in the morning, like long periods mean the morning, in the evening, in afternoon. And then we normally use in the party, in a meeting, in a conference. That is wrong. That is not wrong 100%, but it is wrong to say like in a party. We usually use at party, at meeting, at conference. Remember that for the party, for the meeting, and for the conference, we use preposition at party, at meeting, at the conference. But we sometimes use preposition in, like for the meeting. If we are in the middle of the session and somebody called me and I answer, I am in a meeting. And we can use the conference in as well for the specific a particular room where the conference is. Like we can say, I am sitting in a conference. So I meet him at the conference, at meeting, at the party. And then we can use at with the precise timings. What is precise timings? Like at 6 p.m. I can come to you at 6 p.m. I saw her at 6 p.m. And then precise timing, weekend, for example. You can say, she swims at the weekend, at the weekend. We can use other preposition on for the dates and for the days, like on 24th March, on 23rd October, on Christmas Day, on Christmas Eve. So remember that preposition is not a rule, but it can be